So the first thing we do is create a simple flag. That'll be the first part of our scene. And to do that, we've just created a simple cylinder and we've attached a small plane to it. And we've made the plane editable, which converts it to polygons, so that we can use the deformation effectively. Now, to find the deformation tools, we go to this drop-down menu, and you can see that we have a whole series of deformation tools. And just double click on the tool in the object window and make sure that flag is selected, and you can play around with these parameters to your liking, but we'll take the default parameters for now. And it's just simply a matter of dropping the wind into the plane and cylinder, making it a child of the flag. And as you can see, we have some very basic movement just by simply adding the wind parameter onto a polygon object.